I'm Tom, do-it-yourself home automation, and I've been doing reviews of every flavor of Lacroix water. Some people call it Lacroix, I call it Lacroix. And a lot of people, or several people, wrote in and said, it's very acidic. Because I've been talking about how there's no sodium, no sweetener, no calories, but people had said it's very acidic. So I wasn't sure about that. Makes sense in a way because it's carbonated. So often they're putting carbonic acid or something in there that would potentially make it acidic. But I figured, I would go ahead and find out. So this is a pH meter. This measures the acidity of a solution. And I'm going to start out here. I've got some tap water that we can use just as a control. So the typical pH range of tap water is about 6.5 to 8.5 pH. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in the tap water. And we're about 8.18. So that's on the more basic or alkaline side of the range. This is in the San Francisco Bay Area, really good water quality here. So that's our starting point. Now let's go ahead and open. This is the Lacroix berry flavor. I'm going to pour some in here. All right. A little bit more. Okay, now let's go ahead and put the same pH meter into that. You can see it's about 3.5 pH. So that is actually, quite acidic, and that's interesting. It's definitely much more acidic than tap water. Not sure what a bottled water would be, but when people are saying that it's more acidic, that does appear to be true from this test anyway. What does that mean ultimately? I'm not sure exactly. I mean, maybe it's something where you want to brush your teeth after you're drinking this, even though it doesn't have the sweeteners or calories in it. If it is, on the relatively acidic side, you want to get that out of your mouth. Not sure. I'll have to look more into that, but definitely a very solid result there. Whereas the tap water is all the way up above 8. This is right around 3, and the lower the pH, the more acidic a solution is. So turns out, yes, for what it's worth, I'm not sure if it's good or bad, but yes, Lacroix apparently is relatively acidic.